Morning. Once again we're back at the Tech with Terry. Here we are talking about Sirui tabletop tripods. Great thing to have when you're travelling. An essential thing to have in fact in travelling. Got the Sirui one here, comes with a carabiner clip which is all rubber coated so it doesn't scratch. This extends, pull the legs down, lock it into place. Nice tabletop tripod. Arca Swiss thread on it, which we can put it'll hold 4 kilos, which is a decent size weight. Got the new Canon RP here, just put it on. Lock into place, voila, it's on. Ball head on there, nice and removable, ideal. You can also extend it to get that little bit extra height. Great thing to have when you're travelling. Reasonably priced at $100, comes with a case. Also comes with a smaller extension, which enables you to make it even smaller and lighter again. So it's only 220 grams. We have them in red and of course black right next to me here, all ready to go. Thanks guys.